Hey guys, it is TJ, back again with another cool topic. That is, running Kali Linux on Windows as application. The new Kali 2020.3 update introduced lots of new features. But we want to focus on the Windows plus Kali desktop experience. We will use Kex tool here. Kex is a GUI that can be used with Windows Subsystem for Linux too. So, let's get started. You can find the new features from this Kali site. Let's go to the installation part. To get started, you need to have Windows 10 2004 latest updated build. To check your OS build, go to the Windows Update page and select OS build info, then you can find your OS build version. Now, according to the Kali Linux documentation, you'll first want to open PowerShell as administrator and enable Windows Subsystem for Linux feature with this command. Or else, you can enable it like this at Turn on Windows feature menu. It is up to you, but after you enable it, you have to restart the machine. After restarted, run these following commands. Then you can set WSL2 version. But the message says, we need to get the Linux kernel package, so let's download and install. After the installation, we need to download the Kali application from Microsoft Store. Then, create Kali username and password. Now, update the Kali machine and install Kex tool. Be patient, it will take time, so don't interrupt the installation. After finish the installation, type Kex command. See, now we got Kali desktop successfully. You can get the pentesting tools from Kali site. That's it guys, stay tuned for the next Kali Linux series. See you all.